Guys, I wanted to come on here and read a poem for you guys out of this book that I got from a thrift store. It's a poem book. And the poem I want to read for you guys is called A Lesson from a Little Bird. A little bird high on a branch does what he can do best. He sits and sings with all his might and leaves to God the rest. He is not anxious about food, for God himself will give the little morsels day by day that give him strength to live. Should we be worried when we think about our needs today? Does God, who made the universe, not hear us when we pray? And lovingly, he does provide as seasons come and go, remembering the little birds that do not weep nor sow. And I just really love that, and I just really wanted to come on here and share that with you guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope you guys have a wonderful 4th of July, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.